Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and format posts in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic skill to have because well-formatted posts help your messages stand out, organize information clearly, and make communication within your team much more effective and professional. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you've got your credentials ready so you can access your workspace smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll see your team's dashboard with various options on the left side of your screen. On that left side panel, go ahead and click on Chat. This section is where most of your communication happens within Teams. After clicking Chat, you'll want to navigate to Teams and Channels. This is where all your team workspaces and their respective channels are organized, making it easy to find the right place for your post. Now, click on the specific channel where you want to create and format your post. This could be a project channel, a general team channel, or any other channel relevant to your message. Selecting the right channel ensures your post reaches the intended audience and keeps conversations organized in their proper context. Once you're in the channel, look for the option that says Post in Channel and click on it. This opens up the posting interface where you can compose your message. You'll see a text box appear ready for you to input your message. Go ahead and type out whatever you want to communicate to your team. Here's where things get interesting. Once you've entered your message, you'll notice the format tools appear. These tools are your key to making your post visually appealing and easy to read. You can set your text to bold to emphasize important points, or use italic for subtle emphasis. If you need to underline something crucial, there's an underlined option, and you can even use strike through to show changes or edits. For organizing information, you have the option to add a bullet list or a number list. These are incredibly useful when you're listing items, steps, or multiple points that need clear separation. They make your content much more scannable and digestible for your team members. But that's not all. You can also highlight your text to make certain parts pop out, adjust the font color to match your team's branding or to categorize information, and change the font size if you need certain text to be more prominent. If you want to reference someone else's words or company policy, use the quote feature. You can also insert links to external resources or documents, and if you're sharing code or technical information, there's a code block option that formats it properly. And that's it. You've now created a well-formatted, professional post in Microsoft Teams that communicates your message clearly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.